So hello students, now we are going to do some questions from the topic number 2 and 3. It is previous year question. It was asked in CBSE 2022 and 23. So this is simply from the types of chemical reaction, that is from the redox reaction. This question from the redox reaction. So I have prepared one note for this type of reaction. So this note is what? From the redox reaction. So we know that redox reactions are those reactions in which oxidation and reduction happens simultaneously. So oxidation is what? Oxidation is gain of oxygen and loss of hydrogen, and reduction is gain of hydrogen and loss of oxygen. So we can check this reaction. In this reaction, chemical reaction, MnO2, this Mn has loses oxygen and it has converted into MnCl2. So it Mn has loses oxygen. So if there is loss of oxygen, so it would be, if there is loss of oxygen, it would be reduction. So MnO2 is reduced and this HCl has loses this hydrogen and converted into this Cl2. So here is loss of hydrogen, and where there is loss of hydrogen, it would be oxidation. So HCl is reduced, HCl is oxidized. So our option number D would be correct, because it has mentioned in the option number D that MnO2 is reduced and HCl is oxidized. And along with this question, I have make one note over here that about the oxidizing agent and reducing agent. So here MnO2 is going under reduction. So if it is undergoing reduction, so it would be oxidizing agent. So our oxidizing agent is MnO2 because it is undergoing reduction. So it is oxidizing agent, because if it is undergoing reduction, it oxidizes other. It is doing the work for the oxidation, so it is oxidizing agent. Whereas in this case, HCl is undergoing oxidation, so it would be reducing agent. So HCl would be reducing agent. So I hope you understand this question. So this is question from topic number 3. This was asked in CBSE 2023. This is from the balancing of chemical reactions. So we'll solve these type of questions. If it is asked in the objective mode, so we'll solve from this stoichiometric method. So we have to solve this question to find this x, y and z. So we'll understand this by hit and trial method, that is from the stoichiometric method. So I will simply write this equation again. So I have written this equation with this stoichiometric A, B, C, D and E. So I have marked here x as B, y as D and z as E. So we'll solve this equation by hit and trial method. So we'll count the reactant and product side. So here I will write first for this oxygen. So on the left side, oxygen is written as, I will write this equation for the oxygen as 2A. So we will apply here hit and trial method.